New from Milwaukee, this is the M18 1-ton hoist with one key. This hoist is for lifting large and heavy items up to 1,000 kilograms in weight from the job site to the workshop. It's supplied with a 6-meter chain already installed that gives you up to 6 meters of lift at a speed of 2.4 meters every minute. And it comes with a remote for operating the hoist from a safe distance away from your load you're lifting, up to 15 meters of range on that remote. Another cool thing about that remote is the buttons have variable speed, so the harder you press them, the faster you lift. That gives you loads of control. Now the hoist can be mounted either way with the chain below like a standard hoist, or you can mount it inverted. And while it operates both ways, no sweat, there are some benefits from having it inverted and hanging it from the chain. Firstly, when you are mounting it from the ceiling, you're only lifting the chain and hooking it on. You're not having to lift up the whole hoist. That's a lot safer, but also if you're not watching that battery level indicator on the remote and you do get a flat battery mid-lift, having the hoist down with your load makes it a lot more accessible for changing a battery. But no matter which way you orient it, the best thing is you're not running any leads. You can just mount it and use it just about anywhere. Now it can be powered by any M18 battery. It does take the largest 12 amp hour battery, and with that battery you can expect up to 12 full height lifts of a standardish job site load. And with the one key there, you can track and manage the tool from the One Key app on your phone. Super handy, you can stick one in your pack out today. That's the new M18 1-ton hoist from Milwaukee. It's available to order now from all Sydney Tools stores where you won't find a better Milwaukee range. And you also head over to our website for the full specs to order online. If you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.